people, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing today? Today is a wonderful day. Y'all. I don't care what you're going through, what your challenges are. Face those giants, y'all. They're only here to build us up, not to tear us down, to build us up. So yeah. So anyway, you guys, you know what? Let me go ahead and make my coffee. I think we might have time for a little bit of tea time, but it won't be tea. It will be coffee this morning because trying to use the rest of the coffee that I have in here, because it is actually, if you guys don't know this, I drink coffee, not like every single day, but I like coffee, but I like decaf coffee because decaf don't give me the jitters. The regular coffee is the one that give me the jitters. So yeah, you be all over the place. Yeah. So anyway, guys, yeah, I start off my morning, show you guys the wonderful skies. It's blue skies, beautiful crisp clouds. It's like 70 something degrees here in Ohio. It is a big breeze, so that's why I have on my jacket. And then also, I think later on this week or this evening, we may have rain. I'm not 100% sure because guess what? She don't watch the news. But anyway, guys, yeah, we're going to have us some coffee. But I had to start off my morning cleaning. My dresser was filthy. Bottles of perfume, filthy. It was just filthy. It was a dirty mess. And the back room, that is the catch-all table where people put their feet up and everything like that, cups and stuff. So that's always got to be cleaned off. So anyway, hold the line and we're going to go ahead and have our coffee. All right, y'all, let's get our coffee. She's about finished pouring out. So you guys got your coffee, your tea, your water, your orange juice, whatever it is. I told you I'm not picky. We're not picky in the mornings, right? As long as we got something, even if it's water. The water is the best thing. But guys, y'all, I went to Lowe's yesterday and I did not find the stuff that one of you guys was telling me about for the plant. I didn't find that stuff. The grow stuff, I didn't find that, but guess what? I found me another Sansevieria, mother's tongue, snake plant. But it was, if y'all could see, it was $3. You see it written on there? Yeah, it was $3 because I don't know, it was $3. It don't have no tags or nothing, but it's really healthy. So I don't know where I'm going to put it. I'll show you guys probably another video where I'm going to put her, but she's very healthy and pretty. But anyway, guys, let's drink. Y'all, no matter what's going on in the world, always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place, okay? Don't just do it for yourself. Do it for others. You know, just show them. People need to see the light. They need to see the light in people. They do. So they know they don't have to give up. Some people are giving up. Don't choose to give up, y'all. Keep pushing. Life is hard. Just living, the whole objective though, y'all, for real, is for us to live. That is the whole objective. It's not to gain all these things, do all this stuff, worry about what the next person thinks, you know, trying all these accomplishments and stuff. If you want to do accomplishment, make sure you're doing it for yourself, not to try to show people up or anything like that, or gather things so it can seem like you're important. Might look important on the outside and you could be dying on the inside. I don't know who that's for, but that's for somebody. But anyway, guys, today's read is going to come out of Psalms 91. Here is your answer to everything that's going on in the world. Y'all going to read the rest of it. Read Psalms 91. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say, oh, the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, who I trust. Surely He will save me from the fowler's snare and from the deadly pestilence. Y'all, the deadly pestilence, that's what's going on today. He will save us. Don't be worried. Don't give up. Don't give up. Y'all, don't give up. Please don't give up. That's my word for today. Please do not, whatever you do, give up. Keep fighting to the end. I keep telling y'all, it's in the word. Those who endure to the end will survive. We're going to survive. We gonna lose some around along the way, but we will survive. Y'all, I love y'all. Okay, just know I love y'all. Even if you don't love me back, even if you watch my channel and you really don't like me, I don't care. I just appreciate you here. Maybe something I might say might touch you one day. You might change your mind, but all I know is peace and goodness and love. So if you're a part of that, you're a part of my team. And for that, we're gonna drink. That's tea time, y'all. I'm gonna finish my coffee, take my vitamins, and I'm gonna head up out of here because she got to go. I'll see you guys later. Oh, and I'm gonna show y'all the vase because you're gonna be surprised what color she went with. Like, yeah. Okay, guys. Before I leave, I wanted to show y'all these chairs. Now, remember I painted this one? Now, look how close it is to this one. So what I did was switch out the chairs. So you have the two darker ones here, which look similar, right? They're all the same chairs, and you have the lighter ones back here on this side. But I just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, now, she's actually really getting ready to leave. So I will see you guys later on this evening. Y'all, I'm back, so I'm going to show y'all really quickly. I'm going to show you guys the vase. Now, I am going to insert in this video the vase when I painted it the first time. It was black and gold, so I'm going to throw it in a picture and over here somewhere, probably on this side, and show you what it looked like. But this is what it looks like now, y'all. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? Look at her. So basically, guys, she's like a whitish gray color. I did find like some white paint and some gray acrylic paint, and I mixed them together. So this is the color that she is, and I absolutely love it. Now, I did not do this part. I didn't do that. But she is so pretty. Can y'all see her? Look at her. She is absolutely beautiful. So guys, I'm going to put her right here for now. I think she looks really nice. I'm going to put her here. I might keep her in here, to be honest. I might keep her in here, or I might like put her in the bathroom or something, but I am going to get my eucalyptus and put in here. But I think it looks nice. Y'all see her? She's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So guys, I did end up finding a few things today from the Goodwill and the bins. So just two things. I mean, just one thing from the Goodwill. So I'll show you what I got from Goodwill. I end up finding this pretty vase. Can y'all see what it looks like? It's like a dark blue. Ain't that pretty? And then it has like a gray bottom. And as you can see, she was $3. I mean, no, $2. Y'all, I couldn't pass that up. Look how pretty. That is beautiful, isn't it? Really, really nice. And actually, where's the sticker? Hold on. Because this came from, y'all, where's my sticker at? Hold on. This actually came from World Market. Y'all, where is the sticker to this? Well, it's a World Market find. I'll find the sticker another time, but this is what it looks like. And I'm probably going to put this somewhere in here, but this is absolutely beautiful for $2. I also found, from the bins, since I haven't been there in a while, y'all, I've got these for $1. These are the infused, I don't know, what is this? This is the infused multi-surface floor cleaner, and actually that's what it looks like. One was inside the thick container, and these are originally, what does that say? I don't know if that say $2.79 or whatever. Let me see. Let me put my glasses on and see. My glasses right here, y'all, and she acting like she can't see. So these were, yeah, $3.99, and they're $2.79. So it's non-toxic. It's by Meyer Lemon. So that's what the container looks like, or the box itself. And basically, y'all know I picked this up, the infused mop. Remember I found the pad for $1 one day there, and I got the mop for I think $5. So actually, you would take this off of here like that, and you will stick. Ouch! Sorry, y'all. I'm glad I didn't hit myself in the face. But you will stick this in here or something like that, and then it'll come. The stuff will come out. So that's how that goes. And these were $1. So I got both of those for $1 a piece. And what's the other thing that I got? Let me put this over here. I also got the Ray Everyday Shine from the inside out. And this is liquid. So this is liquid biotin, which I needed some more because those other vitamins that I got by Nature's Bounty, I don't really like those. But this is what it looks like. And this was $1. So this is 1 drop a day inside your water or anything that you drink or eat. You can put it in there. So I got that for $1. And last but not least, guys, I got this nice little bracelet. And it was originally $9. It's a gold bracelet. And it was $9.99 originally. And I got it for 50 cents. And it says Wish. And this is how it clamps on your arm. Let me put that right here. And that's funny, y'all, because I don't have any like gold. And I kept saying I wanted something that was gold, like nickel or something to wear on my arm. So that is how it goes, like that. And it says Wish. And it goes with my chain. It goes with my earring. So guys, that is going to be it for me today. Glad you guys stuck around to watch the rest of my video today. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget, love yourself, such as be a love of others, so this world be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Till next time.